Mom had a friend named Mary. I'm not sure how they met, but they worked out together and went jogging on the weekends. Once, Mom's friend Mary came over afterwards and made hash browns for all of us. They were really, really good. I remember my sister saying, "These are the best hash browns ever." And my mom saying, "This might just have to be a new tradition." Mary kind of shyly smiled. The next weekend, she came over again and made hash browns again. They were still good, but everyone just kind of quietly ate them and then said thank you afterwards. I had seconds, but only because Mary asked me like 4 times if I wanted more. The next weekend, we were going to see my cousins in Rockford, and Mom's friend Mary showed up in the driveway as we were leaving with hash browns in little baggies. She said, "For the road!" She handed them to us through the window. After we pulled away, my sister asked, "How are we supposed to eat these?" And my mom said, "I don't know." And then no one talked for kind of a while. We didn't really see Mary after that. We got a postcard from her that said she'd moved to LA to have a better shot at getting on Wheel of Fortune. I never saw her on the show, so. A little while later, we got a Tupperware full of hash browns in the mail. And then that happened once a week for about 6 months. We didn't eat them, and my dad actually talked to the police, but they said there's no law against mailing someone hash browns every week. So eventually we actually moved, and that was kind of the end of that. Except for there was one time later that I saw her.